instant noodle is a global phenomenon that is changing the lives of many. It is quick, easy, affordable, and not to mention a delicious way to cure your hunger. Not having a knack for cooking, instant noodle was my go-to comfort food during my long late nights at the university. Our love for instant noodle led us to check out the CupNoodles Museum that's easily reached by the Minatomi line in Yokohama.
So this is how it all began. This section was really interesting because you got to see all the different varieties of cup noodles that had been available since the beginning of cup noodles history. So this is a replica of the house where Mr. Momofuku invented the instant ramen. You know what? It took this guy many years to come up with this idea, and he never gave up. He's pretty awesome.
Pre-participants have to purchase a cup from the vending machine. After that, you'll be assigned to the table where you can design your cup with markers provided here. You can follow this example or just let your creativity explode and design a very unique one. When you're done, you can head into a staff here and choose the ingredients you want in your cup noodle. They have a large variety of soup powder and toppings.
But despite its commercial success, Ando didn't forget his original goal to help end hunger. In 1997, Ando helped start what's now called the World Instant Noodles Association. Its purpose is to improve the instant noodle industry and provide emergency food aid. Since its founding, the organization has helped donate hundreds of thousands of instant noodle servings. Ando once said, "It is never too late to do anything in life. You can have a new beginning even at the age of 50 or 60. And he really lived his life with that mindset.
It was Momofuku Ando in Osaka Prefecture who was looking to create a quick, simple, easy-to-make noodle in post-war Japan. After a year of trial and error, the first chicken-flavored instant ramen was released on August 25, 1958. This is a time when the Tokyo Tower had not even been completed yet. The noodles were an instant hit and gained popularity throughout Japan. And with Tokyo's first Olympics a couple years later in 1964, it was a perfect time to showcase this new product to the world. Momofuku's inventions didn't stop after his first chicken ramen. On a trip to the US, he was inspired to create an easy-to-use product, and in 1971, the first cup noodle was released. The museum does a fantastic job of illustrating the history of the instant noodle.